All right, it's Saturday. We're outside. We're going to be working on the FRS, the 6.0 for the RX7. Nallie's got her G.I. Jane outfit going on. Check her out, my little G.I. Jane. We got a 06 Mustang that we built a long time ago. Kenny Bell Shelby, signed by Carol Shelby. Wow. Look at this stuff. Okay. We got a car from Frustrates Giveaways here. We got the gang back there. We got a big Stancia S2000 here. Check this thing out. Hold on, let me change the camera. Whoa. Whoa, so it's on air ride. It's pretty cool. We're gonna be tuning this thing and, you know, getting it right. It's a little dirty. Ooh. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure this car is running a full-blown turbo kit. It's very similar to mine. I like it. It's cool. I do like the shaved engine bay. It's pretty clean. I'm not gonna lie. A little bit of TLC. Needs a car wash. Be all right. Dude, like the SSRs though. That's a flex. Nice little flexy flex. Yeah, Francis. Oh man, your time is coming, baby girl. But yeah, our buddy Danny Frustrate. He raffles cars. My buddy won this car, Carlos. Yeah, let's go inside. See what we got going on. Oh shit. Twin turbo TRX kit. That's so cool. B-Series all-wheel drive car has not moved, but it is almost there. We're waiting for the block. Oh no, we got the block with the sleeves. We're actually assembling that, getting ready to do that. This is what's it called? A project that's bound to just blow up on the internet because this thing is so mint. It's gonna be all-wheel drive. It's gonna make 800 plus. Like, let's get it. We're gonna hopefully get this bad boy out for round 4. So let's get it. We got George and Esteban here doing LS things. Look at that. We got a head on. We got some instruction manuals going on the AR pizzles. Mailing
for the diesel.
Mailing oil pump, yes sirski. Yo, damn, this Frustrate giveaway car, pretty sick. I can't believe Carlos won that. That's so wild. So my good friend Danny, if you guys don't know him, Frustrate EG from down south. He's one of the cars we sponsor and been working with for many years. If you saw my last video with the FL2K video, he had the all-wheel drive car that made it to second place, runner-up. Only Honda in the all-wheel drive versus DCT class, so that's so cool. He was the second world's fastest. Now he is on third or fourth world's fastest on the top 10 list. So it's okay. We got big changes coming for that car, so stay tuned for that because we're surely gonna get back up and hopefully to the second place world's fastest on that. Sorry, Mark. Mark actually went 7.2 in his Civic, and yeah. So this thing's also done, runs and drives. I'll probably turn it on, get some idle sounds because it sounds so wild. The car sounds like a sport front-wheel drive car, which is so cool. It's so cool. All right, let's get to work. 25. I need to reset.
Nah, it should already reset. You have
Sure?
Yeah, tap it once.
Tap the.
Yeah, tap it.
It's not moving.
Because you gotta put torque.
There it is. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, let me get Natalie's reaction in the background with Edwin.
Very good.
We build good motors. 24, 25 in a minute.
Okay, what's next? This one.
Putting together the other motor, we have our oil pan here, and we kind of found some debris, some carnage from the last motor. Oh, that's awful.
Needle bearings.
Needle bearings. Oh wow, look at it. Oh wow, that's awful. Got a nice little sound to it. Oh, that's awful. All right. Yeah, throw it back in the motor. Look at Natalie's 2J. Oof, Natalie's 2J so beautiful. But look at this bad Johnny right here, boy. Dang. Motor has resurrected. Got our steam port set up. Got our water plate set up. Let's go. This is so cool. This is for the turbo return. About to drop the intake on. Let's go. We might just make it. Who the fuck? Man, that's ugly. That was Elmer Fudd. Yeah, I didn't do that. So nasty. Beat it. Oh, that thing might run soon. Alright, it's starting to look like a motor. Man, pulling out a new power steering pump. OEM Mazda. For the thing. Oh, we don't got a pulley. Wow, we just realized that.
I think I took it.
Ooh, I think I got a slice. I always love this, man. This edition is so nice. King's Performance, Cooper Racing grade, Gucci on there. Shout out to Gucci made these plates for us. Damn, man. It's looking sweet. How exciting, man. We got the 427 for the other car. And then now we're doing this 6.0 for this car. It's really cool. What?
Bam.
Okay, well, yeah, we gotta get a pulley for right here for the power steering pump. Put the ATI dampener on. Do some double checks on everything, but she's looking right. Looking like we got ourselves a motor again. Natalie's just swooping up. Let's see some cool stuff that we have here today. We got this GTR. It's full bolt-ons. It was owned by Brap Vlogs. He sold it, got a McLaren. Then it got picked up by somebody else, and that guy called us. And basically, well, actually, he called Titan. Titan referred him to us. They basically sent him over here. Now we're getting it going, getting him tuned, getting him some new stuff. We got some new banners, which is cool. I'm waiting for more banners. Yeah, got this twin turbo CTSV back in for. We put built trans. We originally built a car made 1300. Then he had transmission issues. We ordered a new stage 6 Circle D trans, which isn't advertised, but we got a custom setup for him. Pretty baller shit, let me tell you. Like billet clutch plates, billet freaking torque converter, like baskets in billet. Like it is so gnarly, but it looks like a sleeper. I love the tag. It says Dream Killer, which is awesome. Right next to the Shelby that we're about to tune as well with Kenny Bell. That thing is cool. But yeah, this thing is so baller. So let's turn the jam up on it. Sorry, with a little stutter there. And yeah, hopefully tuning that thing tomorrow. But today we are hopefully putting this thing in. So let's get to work and see you later. Well, that's exciting. Yes, sirski. We got the 6.0 in the bay, baby. These mid plates are really sweet. Like I said, we're waiting for a pulley to arrive for the power steering pump. and put this thing a little bit more together. We got about 9 days left for, well, technically we have about 5 or 6 or 7 days left till around 4. Yeah, less than 9 days till around 4. We need to have this car ready. Hopefully we get some testing in, and hopefully we can probably fire it up. Waiting for a couple things that I'm knowing this thing. So I should have those things tomorrow. Let's keep wrenching. Check them out.
I don't want to be embarrassed.
We're not gonna get embarrassed, Georgie. You're all right. Everybody on YouTube's just gonna know that you built this 6.0.
That's so dick.
But shout out to ACH for our 427 dart block that we have ready for the next chassis.
The next chassis.
We're not gonna say anything about that.
You didn't even tell me.
That's just a slight diss on it.
You didn't even tell me.
It's okay, we got something on him.
What's that?
Yo, you realize why? You realize your valve covers are purple, right?
The ones on the new motor? Yeah. I wanted to do raw, but somebody put purple, and it is
Because
what
he
it
wanted to
is.
surprise you.
Oh, surprise! Papo brake cleaner. Yay!
Yeah.
1247. Oh no, it probably didn't build enough. I don't know.
Alright, ready? This thing's almost done.
Great, now we're fucking starting with no oil pressure. You don't have any oil pressure over there?
Yeah. That was a fire.
That's good.
Ain't that some shit? Hyper boost build. George build. Alright, y'all. We outside with it. 6-0. Caught fire Monday. I'm so sorry. I'm so drained, man. Left the shop at freaking 4 or 5 in the morning yesterday with that 2J Mustang. So Monday we lost the motor. Wednesday we got the new one. Basically caught fire. put it back together, got the new one in. We're on the dyno. We're supposed to be on the way to Sebring right now. We're trying to make it. Never give up. That's all I got to say. So here we go. We're trying to lock in some data on the fuel tech, and we're going to start making some hits. Thank you. All right, we got our first pull down. Yes, sir. Hold on, to get a focus in there. Yes, sir. Speed 663 on a motor that burned down. Freaking blew up on startup. Let's not toot our horns yet, but let's keep playing with it. Let's keep playing with it, boys and girls. Got the gang outside. Let's get it. Yeah.